Hi there. During the month of March at our office, we're going to offer another 20th anniversary special. This time, the special is on a technique called NET, or neuroemotional technique. This technique is not counseling. It is a muscle testing technique that is used to help remove emotional charge on events that either are affecting a person from a physical standpoint or showing up in the body somewhere. For example, an upset stomach due to a stressor at school, or a low back pain due to the emotional trauma of a loss of a family member. The interesting thing is in neurobiology, we find that emotional stressors can deposit themselves in the body at the time of the stress because they can't be dealt with fully at that time. So NET, which stands for neuroemotional technique, is a technique that I use in my office to help patients with chronic pain that hasn't resolved with your typical structural or nutritional approaches. In NET, all the organ systems or organ meridians are related to certain emotions. So, for example, in NET, the liver and the gallbladder meridians are related to anger and resentment. The kidney and bladder meridians are related to fear and paralyzed will. And so these emotions can sometimes affect the body in different ways. And oftentimes, with just a structural approach to a body pain, you have a patient who is continually trying different structural approaches, but never really getting further down the road. And part of that reason may be that there's a subconscious emotional block in the body that's preventing that area from getting well. So the technique is called NET. Its website is www.netmindbody.com. It's a great website to look at, but that technique is the technique that I practice in my office. I've found it to be super helpful. It was extremely helpful to me in a time in my life when I had suffered a pretty great loss, and one of my friends recommended it to me. So I was actually a patient using NET before I started practicing at my office. But it's been about 17 years that I've been practicing NET, and we are offering a special this month. And you can call my office, 281-419-9104. Any of my office staff members would be able to talk to you about it, but we just really want to put this offer out there because there are so many people who are dealing with chronic pain or blockages to moving forward in life, and either of these things can be dealt with NET. NET has both a mind entry point and a body entry point. Body entry point would be an area of body pain or discomfort or dysfunction, and the mind entry is looking at areas of mental and emotional blockage for a patient, and it can be used for anything. It can be used for blockages to athletic performance, which I've used it for in my office. It can also be used for blockages to personal blockages just in life or in work or with family or with children. So NET is a very diverse technique, but extremely, extremely effective. I would say it's probably the most powerful technique that I practice. So again, we're offering a special this month. We're offering $20 off a half-hour appointment of NET, and this is a way of saying thank you for our 20th year, and hopefully you'll get a chance to experience NET at the office. If you have any questions, please just call the office. We're here to help you. Have a great day.